here. Hello everyone!
Welcome to our channel.
Today, we're gonna make
Magic ballot.
magic
We're
bag.
gonna open
Single shot.
Mama's Magic Bullet Single Shot.
Yay!
Okay.
We're gonna smash it.
Okay. Open it.
Open.
Oh, no.
Whoa! Get the story with the play.
Ooh, what's that?
What is inside?
And this one it's always 5 minutes. Covers.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we haven't seen this one yet.
What color is that?
Cat.
No, green.
And then, what else do you have?
Ooh.
And another one.
Oh.
Ooh,
Ooh.
blue.
Let's go again.
It's only red.
Red.
Okay, we're gonna make.
We're gonna make a smoothie.
Oh,
Ooh.
We're gonna show you guys how you can
do
use it
this.
for smoothie,
This is mine.
Yeah.
This is yours.
and you can also
Mm.
yan.
Wait, Mama. Okay.
Yan po ang pwede nyong gawin.
Oh, this.
Yeah, open it.
Yan, smoothie. Yan po ang aming favorite. Ang paggawa ng smoothie.
No, this is
Then the
my bag.
Yan.
And then the top. I can open it.
And guys.
Papa, can I open it?
Mhm.
Oh,
Oh, no. Like this. Take off.
You have 3 cups.
2.
And we're gonna show them how to use it, okay?
2.
So today we're going to make a mango banana smoothie.
And
Okay, see you guys.
mango.
wait.
Yeah.
I'm
Here.
gonna open it.
Yeah, we can use it already.
No.
See you
like that
guys.
first.
Mango. And
Okay.
I cannot use it. It's so strong.
Yeah, go ahead. No. Careful. Oh, bring it. No.
Done.
We need more. Yeah, go ahead. No. Careful. Oh, bring it. No.
Done.
We need more. Okay, put some ice.
It's a really ice like hello.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go. Go.
It's only there's one more.
Go ahead. Now we're gonna cover
No, nothing.
with this. Yan. So, and then we're gonna put like this.
Spinning tornado. Mama, can I see the tornado?
Yeah. Okay. Go with it. the tornado and this. Ta-da!
Wow.
That's the smoothie.
There's a wow.
There you go. The smoothie.
Can I drink?
Yeah, go ahead. Again.
Yum, yum, yum.